Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Spotify Learn. Today I'm here with the next module video, that is module 3 of chemistry. Let's discuss. If you want the first two module same super important questions, you can go through the playlist which I have added under 2022 scheme and you can get the important questions, and you can score very good marks by following these questions. And now let's get started with the third module. That is, first question is, what is ion selective electrode, and determine the pH using glass electrode. And this is, I have given all the required answer with diagram. And next is definition of galvanization, and with taking galvanization of process of that by taking of iron as example. And next we can see it is explain instrumentation of potentiometric estimation of ferrous ammonium sulfate with its applications. Here is aim theory, it is very important theory. Instrumentation with diagram, you can go through it. And next question is, what are reference electrode, and we have to see the construction and working of calomel electrode. This is, we can say that it is one of the most important question. You can study the construction and diagram with its working. Here is all the Nernst equation which is required, I have given here. You can go through it, you can score very easily. Next is fifth question is, define anodizing with example. You can take as aluminum with electrode reaction. Also we should mention applications. And here is process, the steps, the reactions at anode and cathode, and the applications. Now sixth question is, what is metallic corrosion. By taking electrochemical theory of corrosion, explain iron as example. We have to take as according to theory, we have to mention the steps and what is happening at cathode and at anode, and we have to take rusting of iron, and the rust will be the product here. If we come to the numericals of this module, the numericals are very important, and it has been asked in repeatedly in all the question papers which I have seen now. If you come to this small question, a steel area of 100 inch square, you remember this in square is given, and the time period they have mentioned is 1 year, and 75 gram of weight loss. Like they have said as steel has lost 75 gram due to corrosion, so we consider this as weight loss, and we have to calculate the corrosion penetration rate in mpy as well as MMPY. MPY means miles per year. This means, can such steel sheet be applicable for the construction purpose where the steel is exposed. Now they have given area, density, total weight. Here it is 75. Okay. And they have given density in gram per centimeter cube, and they have given K value. K value should be taken in for different for MPY as well as MMPY. And the first we will solve for MPY. MPY we will take area as in square only, and next for MMPY we will take as the K value will be 87.6 as we can see here, and for MPY it will be 534. You should remember these both value. And MMPY means millimeter per year, as we saw. MPY means miles per year. Next, if we see the W value same, they have given what is the weight loss, and D is also same. Density is given in gram per centimeter cube, so you can take that. Area is here, it is in inch square, so take as it is. Here you have to multiply by 6.45 in order to what to say that you have to convert it into centimeter cube when you are calculating for MMPY, and the answer will be 6.45. Next, if you are taking 1 year, means it is 1 into 365 into 24. Why? Because they have mentioned as 1 year, and you are taking 1 year, it has 365 days and each day has 24 hours, so you have to multiply each of them. And if you multiply these both and divide by this, you will get the MPY answer. And if you do such this, you will get as 4.061 into 10 raised to minus 3 MMPY. And this is one of the most important question and easiest numerical which can be scored in this module. Don't leave this numericals in this module. It is very easy also, and it is 100% sure short questions. And next they have asked is what is concentration cell, and they have given a two molarity values as 0.001 and 0.1 molar copper sulfate solution, and they have given the temperature value. We will find the E cell value. They have asked EMF, so we have to find the value of E cell. Temperature given you have to take, and you consider the concentrations that are given as C1 and C2. This will be at anode and this will be at cathode, and since n is 2, because you write as Cu2 plus here, and the number of electrons here is 2. It involves 2 electrons copper, and it may vary from element to element. In copper it is Cu2 plus, in aluminium also it is Al2 plus, so it has various charge values, so it depends. Next, you take as Cu2 plus, and Cu2 plus will give you Cu, and here it is, this is anode, and that is 0.1 is cathode, and the Nernst equation which you remember is this: E cell is equal to 0.0591 by En log of concentration of cathode divided by concentration of anode. Here we know the concentration, so substitute, and N is 2, we substitute, and 0.1 by 0.001 is obviously 100. If you do in calci also you'll get, and by seeing this decimals also we can identify that it is 100, and if you do log of 100 in calci, you will get as 2, and multiplied by this 2 will get as 0.0591 voltage. EMF SI unit is volt, so we will write as EMF of concentration cell is 0.0591 volt at particular temperature is given as 298 Kelvin. And thank you for watching this video completely, and if you want the same PDF for your reference or for your further studying or last minute preparation means, you can DM me on Insta. I'll mention my Insta account, and stay tuned for next two modules. I'll upload as soon as I can. Okay, thank you.